Hello traders, whatever you see on your screen are the real results trading with Wanabot from $400, okay? And I've been growing this account now for 2 weeks, but remember, overtrading will always make you lose all your investment. So I've been really cautious with this account. From $400, now we are at $4,723, okay? Everybody can do this simply by following all the trading risk management strategies and also making sure that you don't overtrade, okay? So over here, we printed almost $890.57. And I want to show you how I took these trades. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And also, if you'd want such results and such amazing tools, make sure you're part of my Telegram channel where I'll be sharing these strategies for free and also such kind of tools for free and also valuable market insight on insights actually for on how to trade on the Deriv platform. Okay, so make sure you're locked in for better results.